barbecue sauce. Everybody loves it. Every family has their brand. So we did a thing on social media where we asked people, which one of these barbecue sauces do you buy like at the store? Or is there another brand that you use at the store or you get somewhere else? And it was like it lived forever. That thread went on all day long. And the number one was, with the people, was Sweet Baby Ray's. And it's the number one in America. I don't even think they know that. They're like the number one sauce. This business is $4 billion a year. Serious. $4 billion a year. So I decided to buy in my local Walmart, get all the barbecue sauces I could. We're going to have them compete against each other and find out which one's the best. So let me tell you how it's going to work. We're going to taste each one. I have some Wendy's chicken nuggets, the spicy nuggets that came out from Wendy's. I've got like a whole bunch of them. We're going to taste each one. We're going to take the top three and we're going to have them do like a finals. And they're going to compete because we all know barbecue sauce is better when it's cooked. So the top three flavors is going to be cooked on chicken thighs. We're going to coat them and we'll put them in the oven because it's like 10,000 degrees outside. I'm not going outside. But we all know that barbecue sauce with a little crispiness, a little fire on it, it just tastes amazing. So the top three winners will go to the next round, and then we'll put you on some chicken thighs, and then we'll announce the winner. And it might be the number one. It might be Shed's Barbecue. Who knows? So come on close. Let me show you who's in the competition. Okay, now I know there are so many other brands that I didn't get a hold of or I haven't tried, but this is like the first video. We may do another round of barbecue sauce and see. We'll have like a barbecue sauce wars. It'll be awesome. Okay, so let's talk about all the brands we got. Rufus Teague. A lot of people like this. I've never tried it. And I know that he spent a lot of money designing the mold for this jar, this whiskey jar. He was like one of the first people to put barbecue sauce in a whiskey jar. So when you see a whiskey jar with barbecue sauce, Rufus was the first. And I heard a rumor that Kraft now owns this. Not sure. But we'll find out if it's any good. You got Jim Beam. That's going to have a Jim Beam flavor. You got Jack Daniel's Honey. And that's going to have a Jack Daniel's flavor. Then you've got this one. This is Rendezvous. If you don't know what Rendezvous is, go to Memphis, Tennessee. It's the most famous barbecue joint around. Rendezvous Barbecue. And then this one won Barbecue Wars Tour. This one was amazing. This is one of the best barbecue joints I've ever been to. Ocean Spring, Mississippi. The Shed Barbecue and Blues joint. This place rocks. They got sauce for pork. They got sauce for chicken. They got sauce for beef. And we're going to be trying this one. This is their kind of all-purpose main one. And this is, what flavor is this? The Southern Sweet. This is the Southern Sweet. Put this top back on. I know this is going to be in the next round. I'm not calling it yet until I try the other ones. This may not. We'll see. This one here is Corky's Memphis Barbecue. You know the famous Corky's. They sell their ribs on QVC. And we're going to be checking that out. And then my favorite, as you can tell because the jar is almost empty, is Sweet Baby Ray's. And they've got honey. This one is this the original? I think this one's the original flavor. I like the original the best. You can always doctor. How many people doctor up barbecue sauce? There are people that no matter what barbecue sauce they get, they got to add something to it. Because somehow, some way, what they add makes it amazing. It's really good. So this is who's in the competition today. So let's get it on. Okay, the first one we're going to do is Rufus. You guys ready? I've seen this one for many years. Does Kraft own it? Let's see. If I spill it over, distributed by J&J Group. Doesn't seem like Kraft owns it. Okay, Rufus, grabbing a nugget, dipping it in your sauce, trying it out. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Let's try the next one. Is Jim Beam. Never had this one. Never tried it. Never seen it till I bought it. Oh, it's watery. Wow. That came out fast. All right, here we go. Okay, I don't like the Jim Beam one. I'll put that behind me. You know how you like a barbecue sauce? When you can eat a whole rack of ribs with this on it, and you still could eat more. The rule is, you never get tired of a good barbecue sauce. It doesn't get nasty in your mouth over time. That's the rule. If you can keep already eating it and eating it, like my barbecue sauce, I can keep eating and eating. I never get tired of it. Some I did, like back in the day, there was Love's, there was Kraft. Those I kind of got tired of. About halfway through the ribs, I'm like, ugh, I don't want any more. If you can still keep going, then it's a good barbecue sauce. Let's open Jack Daniels. Now the Jim Beam, it was runny. Let's see if Jack's is runny. Oh no, it's not. Nice. I'm gonna grab one of these. There we go. It's got great cling to it. We're going to Rendezvous, which I've eaten at this restaurant. I have a video on this place. But I never bought their sauce until now. And it does look a little loose. Let's see. Oh no, it's pouring out pretty good. It's got good consistency. It seems like every time I pour barbecue sauce, I pour more and more. All right, let's try it out. There's something in there tangy that I don't like. I don't know what it is, but I don't care for that flavor. So that's not one I'm keeping. All right, here we go. The Shed Barbecue in Blues Joint. Let's check that one out. It pours out. It's loose. Pours out faster than the others. Try it out. That's good. I remember that flavor from the competition. Yep, they're still making a good sauce, but it's a little runny. Corky's barbecue sauce is the next one we're doing right now. So we're going to open that up. We'll pour that out. We'll dip away and see how it is. Come on. Whoops. Boy, that came out fast. Okay, so it came out thick and then it just started running. But, anyways, we'll give that a try. That's not bad. I can have that on ribs. That's good. Now the one that we all love the most. Let's get it open. I hope I have enough Sweet Baby Ray's to do this competition. There we go. Save the rest because I'm sure you're going to be in the final rounds. Unless it got bad over time. Okay, I got to pick 3. I'll do 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Surprise, surprise, guys. I didn't think Rufus was going to stay in. But Rufus and Jack Daniels and Sweet Baby Ray's. We're going to take these 3 and cook with them on top of chicken thighs, and we'll let you know which one's the best. Okay, surprise, surprise that the Shed is not sitting here. But I have to be honest. You guys know I do honest reviews, whether it's food or it's products. Funny story, during the filming of this video, my son, Jack Jr., ate the last of the Sweet Baby Ray's, not knowing it was for my video, and it was a finalist. He finished off the bottle. So I'm like, ouch. So I had to run out to the store and buy this brand new giant bottle. Oh, twist my arm, right? So here's 3 finalists. You have Jack Daniels, honey barbecue, Sweet Baby Ray's original, and I believe this is a honey also. Yeah, honey sweet, Rufus. Is it Rufus Teague? Yeah, Rufus Teague, okay? So you got all three. We've coated Rufus on 3 pieces, Sweet Baby Ray's on 3 pieces, Jack Daniels on 3 pieces. Jack Daniels and Rufus cover better on the chicken. They cling better. I'm looking at the pieces down here. Where Sweet Baby Ray's kind of was a little bit runny, which is not bad. It's not a bad thing. It's just giving you my observation. All right, so we're going to cook this up and see how the sauce is in a cook format and see who the final winner is. This is the part of the show where you pick which one's going to win. Which one of these 3 is going to come out the winner? Okay, all of the barbecue sauces browned very nicely. They're right on top of the skin. You can take the skin off if you don't like that, but we're going to find out in a moment. We're going to let this cool. Then we're going to try them out and see which one's the best. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm all excited. Here we go. I got 3 pieces here. That was really good. That was Rufus Teague. When I bought Rufus Teague, I thought, no, this could be horrible. And that made it to the finals, so Rufus Teague is good. Let's try Sweet Baby Ray's. That one was good. Oh, wow. This is going to be a tough decision. Trying to catch all the flavors that are in each sauce. And this one is the last one. It's Jack Daniel's Honey Barbecue. All right, I'm really surprised how good all 3 of them are. But my winner is going to be Jack Daniel's. The Jack Daniel's had a little bit of sweetness and deliciousness that pushed it over the edge. I enjoyed all of them. This Rufus Teague is a major surprise. The biggest surprise in the competition. But today, Jack Daniel's Honey Barbecue is the winner. Now, if you guys want to, write me up on social media, let me know what sauces you think are even better than Jack Daniel's Honey. Be more than willing to try and buy a whole bunch more and do a second round of competition and take the winner of that and put it up against Jack Daniel's, all right? I love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.